Good afternoon. I'm with Mr. Paking, logic teacher in University of Santo Tomas at Palayo College of Accountancy. So, for the first question, sir, why did you choose to be a teacher?
No, it's only accidental that I became a teacher. It's just because somebody during my heydays asked me to substitute for him in one of the universities here. Then actually I really wanted to become a priest. I told you in class. Okay? I really wanted to become a priest. Then since this friend of mine asked me to substitute him in that school, he asked me to stay there for 3 months. Then I found out that I really enjoy becoming a teacher. Then after that, I transferred here in Manila, applied to different schools until I finally came here in UST in 2006.
So, how did you inspire and motivate your students in your lessons, sir?
By the way, yeah, in relation to numbers 1 and 2, inspiration is not all about we should not equate the success with materiality. Okay? If you want really to become happy in life, you have to strive, or you have to choose. I'm going to repeat what Confucius says. You have to choose a job that you love most and you will never work in your entire life. Which means, in order for you to be happy, in order for you to strive, at least you have to be passionate with what you are doing. It's like, for example, I don't bring anything in class.
Yes.
I bring only my famous marker. Now, the famous marker makes me happy. I am happy in teaching. I really love teaching. With that, I say that you have also to strive for the things that will really make you happy. This book, which I am reading now, will tell you that any material things that equates happiness is only temporary. It will only anesthetize the boredom temporarily. So if you want happiness, then you have to choose what really makes you happy.
So you have to love your job, not the salary.
Not the salary, of course. Not the salary. The salary is only secondary. It must be, first of all, it must be the thing that will really make you happy. That's why I always tell in class, if you really want to become accountant and that makes you happy, then fine. But if you think accountancy will make you successful in terms of money, then forget about accountancy because you will not become happy.
What do you do to prepare for a certain lesson to class? Like, do you follow certain?
Yeah, we have here in AMB, we are following a syllabus here, and right after that, after following the syllabus, I have to read the chapters which I need to prepare. And after that, I think of so many examples in order for my students to laugh. But before that, I have to shuffle the index cards.
Oh,
you know that.
Oh my.
Next, please.
Okay, so for the last question, when you meet an obstacle or problem in class, how do you solve it, or how do you approach it?
You have to talk to your students. Let the teacher and the student resolve the problem. It's not only the teacher who is resolving the problem. It must be the student and the teacher, or the teacher of the student or the student of the teacher.
So it must be interactive.
Both. It's a collective effort for them to solve the problem.
Okay. That will be all. Thanks for your time.
Okay, thank you very much.
Again, Sir Raymond Paking of UST AMB.
Today, I'm here with Mr. Rinaldo Barrera, the College Secretary of UST AMB College of Accountancy. He became our teacher during our second sem, first year. Sir, why did you choose to be a teacher?
Even from the very start, I like studying, so it has a direct relationship with the choice of vocation, that is teaching.
Sir, how do you inspire and motivate your students?
I inspire students by showing the desired behavior and values inside the classroom.
And sir, what do you do to prepare for a certain lesson? for the class?
Before attending my class, I usually read and review, meaning I want to attain mastery of the subject matter that I'm going to teach for a particular meeting or day.
Sir, last question. When you meet an obstacle or problem in a class, how do you resolve it?
I will try as much as possible to resolve it objectively based on existing college and university policies. That's all.
Thank you po, sir.